Hey everybody! Welcome to the Tinashe Beauty Group YouTube channel. I'm Erica. As always, super excited to be here and even more excited because one of my favorite people ever is here. Pro Tinashe Artistic Director Lindsay Glenn. I've been hunting her down, dragging her to the couch because she is crazy about doing interviews and I love it. And she's here with me today, so welcome Lindsay.
Hi!
We're gonna have a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yay. Okay, Lindsay, everybody knows I'm a huge, huge fan of yours. Lindsay actually does my hair too. She styles it, she cuts it, she does all of it. She makes me look good every day. So thank you, first and foremost.
No problem.
But I've got to know, so besides being behind the chair 5 days a week, you're a salon owner, you're a salon manager, you're Pro Tinashe Artistic Director, you conceptualize all the collection for Pro Tinashe, you shoot tutorial videos, and you train other stylists. What are you doing and how are you able to do all of that?
Lots of energy drinks.
It's hiding off there.
Yeah, it's right over there. But seriously, I really like to reference this Steve Jobs interview, and what he says is you have to have a lot of passion for what you do, because if you don't, any sane person would quit. And everybody knows that I got a little crazy to me.
Yes, I got some
too. So, you know, if I wasn't crazy about what I did, and if I didn't have all the passion that I did, then I wouldn't be able to do all of these things that I love doing so much. So
I
there you
agree.
go.
I know. Lindsay's a little crazy. And she's
I'm
crazy about hair too,
Oh, yeah.
which is even
love,
better.
Love hair.
I know. She loves it. And she creates amazing things like my haircut and all the other things that you do.
You need a haircut.
I know. Help me. She's got to save me. Lindsay, if you had to pick your favorite Pro Tinashe product, I know that's very hard, but if you had to select one, which is your favorite?
I would have to say the Style Inflection Dry Shine Spray.
Love it.
Yeah, I really like this one because I work with it a lot. I use it when I set hair to make it curly. I use it when I take the hair down. It still leaves your hair really soft and movable without having like that stiff hairspray feeling. So
yeah, absolutely. I've got it in mine right now, and I
Yeah.
brushed it before I even came here. So it still looks great and holds everything down. So I know. You probably have it in yours too.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay, so if you had to pick your favorite service you would perform behind the chair, what would that be? I'm asking really like intense questions right now.
It's really hard because I really like doing it all. I love doing special occasion hair, like bridal hair, prom hair. I love doing all that.
I love weddings.
But I love doing like the color and highlights beforehand because that just makes your updo look that much more beautiful. So I don't know. I like doing that.
Okay, but that's good.
I like hair.
That's okay. I know. I like hair too. I like hair too. And I love talking about wedding hair, so we can talk about that whenever you want because
Yes,
I love
ma'am.
weddings. I love it. Yay. Speaking about updos, let's talk a little bit about the pinless updo. It's amazing. Everybody loves it in the salon. I want to do it. We haven't done that yet. How have we not done that yet?
I don't know.
Well, we got to do it. But I need to know how you figured out how to do the pinless updo. Where did that all come from?
Okay. Well, I really wanted to come up with something innovative and creative to offer the hair world. And it was funny because I was actually wrapping presents at Christmas time.
No.
And you know that ribbon that has like the fine little wire on both sides?
Yep.
So I'm trying to wrap the stupid gift. I can't get it right. But this wire comes poking out, so I pulled it and all the ribbon gathered to the other end.
I've had that happen before.
Yeah, and I thought, I can totally do something like this with hair.
Yeah.
And yeah, I did. So people love it. So
They really do. And if
Yeah.
you haven't seen it yet, you can check it out right here. Pinless updo. She slides up on the wire and all the hair bunches in the back and it's gorgeous. It's really cool. She rolls it around. It looks like I can do it. Do you think I could do it?
No, but I think that you can try really hard. I love you, but I'm just saying. But it's, you know what? It's something that anybody can do.
Besides me.
Yeah, and it's easy, and you don't get that bobby pin headache afterwards.
Yeah.
You know, when you have all that hair up on the top of your head at the end of the day. So.
Oh my gosh, I love it. I love the pinless updo, and she has so many variations of it too. So you got to check out all those videos. And Lindsay, I need to know something even more important. Can you guess what's coming? Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So everybody knows Tinashe means forbidden love, and you more than anyone definitely know Tinashe means forbidden love. What is your forbidden love?
So I had an idea that you might ask me this, and I went back and forth whether I should make something up or tell you the truth.
Truth, and I'm listening.
Yeah. So I know that I'm going to embarrass myself when I tell you this.
Yes.
Mom, I'm sorry. I'm going to embarrass you, but I have a passion and love for monster trucks.
Yes,
Yeah.
that is awesome.
I do.
Like the big ones?
Oh, they're huge.
Like drive over us?
Trucks
They're so tall?
and no, I wouldn't drive over you, but like RVs and stuff and like other cars.
And like a school bus.
School bus, yeah, boats. Maximum Destruction's my favorite truck. Tom Mentz is a driver. We kind of got a thing going on. I'm not that embarrassed, actually. I feel better.
I need to
that
Google
I
that
said it.
person.
Yeah.
Is that or maybe you could just introduce me to him. We
No.
can meet. Okay.
Sorry.
Fine. No.
It's my thing. It's my thing.
Okay, fine. You can
Yeah,
have it. You
yeah.
can have it. But that's really good. I just love asking people that question because you would never think. And because you're not a redneck. I'm a redneck.
No,
You're
I'm
not
a New Yorker.
Yeah, so it makes
Yeah.
zero sense. Lindsay, I knew this was going to be so fun. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
I know. Crazy. Lindsay and I have a lot of fun together. I love her to death. And if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel yet, you need to because Lindsay's got some really great creations coming up in the future. And you've got to check it out. And you can see all the other videos that we've done as well, too. So we will see you next week. And I can't wait to. Bye.
Bye.